1. A digital marketing certificate program designed for adult learners should primarily emphasize A. Theoretical memorization of marketing terms. B. Real world application of digital marketing tools and analytics. C. Traditional classroom lecture models. D. Passive observation of marketing trends. 2. Which evaluation method best measures learner competence in a digital marketing certificate course? A. Multiple choice quizzes only. B. Portfolio assessment, including campaigns, analytics reports, and strategy plans. C. Instructor observation without feedback. D. Peer ranking based on participation. 3. When mentoring adult learners in SEO strategy development, an instructor should A. Provide ready-made templates without customization. B. Facilitate guided experimentation and feedback sessions. C. Discourage trial and error learning. D. Limit assignments to theory. 4. In curriculum design for a digital marketing certificate, which principle ensures relevance and engagement? A. Aligning content with current industry tools and marketing practices. B. Relying on outdated case studies. C. Focusing on textbook-only instruction. D. Avoiding student interaction. 5. Which adult learning principle is best demonstrated in a digital marketing simulation activity? A. Self-directed, experiential learning based on realistic scenarios. B. Instructor-centered theoretical instruction. Memorization-based testing. D. Passive viewing of advertising campaigns. 6. When evaluating learner performance in a content marketing module, which method provides the most authentic measurement? Analyzing engagement metrics from a real or simulated blog post. B. Counting word count submissions. C. Grading based on attendance. D. Reviewing memorized definitions. 7. Regulatory compliance in digital marketing education includes A. Teaching data privacy laws such as GDPR, CC, and CAN-SPAM. B. Ignoring international standards. C. Allowing students to test live campaigns on real customer data. D. Excluding ethical consideration. 8. When communicating feedback on a student's social media strategy, an instructor should A. Provide constructive, data-driven feedback, emphasizing improvement opportunities. B. Use vague statements about effort. C. Focus only on negative aspects. D. Delay feedback until course completion. 9. In mentoring digital marketing students on PPC campaign analysis, the instructor's key role is to A. Guide learners to interpret analytics and make evidence-based decisions. B. Provide answers without discussion. C. Focus only on memorizing ad terms. D. Avoid performance data. 10. To ensure alignment with certification outcomes, curriculum developers should A. Map each learning objective to specific digital marketing competencies. B. Use random topic sequencing. Focus only on exam preparation. D. Exclude analytics components. 11. An effective adult learning strategy for teaching Google Ads management involves A. Hands-on practice through real or sandboxed ad accounts. B. Reading-only assignments. C. Static lectures about advertising theory. D. Watching instructor demonstrations without interaction. 12. Which communication strategy enhances collaboration in online digital marketing certificate programs? A. Interactive discussion boards and real-time feedback channels. B. Instructor-only communication. C. Delayed responses to queries. D. Restricting peer collaboration. 13. When evaluating learner mastery of marketing analytics, which tool best demonstrates competency? A. Google Analytics dashboard interpretation. B. A written essay on analytics history. C. Memorization of data terms. D. Peer grading. 14. Adult learners in a digital marketing certificate course are most motivated when A. Learning outcomes directly relate to their career advancement goals. B. Course activities are abstract and unrelated. C. They are required to study full-time only. D. They cannot apply learning immediately. 15. In a capstone project assessing campaign strategy, what evaluation method is most effective? A rubric-based assessment covering creativity, analytics, and strategy alignment. B. Random instructor grading. C. Pass-fail scoring only. D. Peer voting without feedback. 16. Compliance training within digital marketing programs should emphasize A. Ethical advertising, accessibility, and transparency regulations. B. Ignoring FTC guidelines. C. Copying existing ads without citation. D. Avoiding consumer protection discussions. 17. Which mentoring approach best supports learners struggling with analytics interpretation? A. Scaffolding learning with guided examples and gradually increasing complexity. B. Providing all answers directly. C. Avoiding detailed explanation. D. Encouraging rote memorization. 18. When assessing email marketing assignments, instructors should focus on A. Deliverability rates, engagement metrics, and segmentation strategy. B. Word count and layout only. Quantity of emails sent. D. Student self-assessment alone. 19. Which curriculum development step ensures up-to-date relevance in a digital marketing certificate? A. Periodic content review aligned with industry trends and platform updates. Keeping the same material indefinitely. Excluding technology changes. D. Avoiding input from industry experts. 20. Effective mentoring in digital marketing education promotes A. Reflective learning, autonomy, and goal setting. B. Instructor dominance and decision-making. C. Focus on grades over growth. D. Short-term memorization. 21. When evaluating a learner's social media analytics project, what indicates higher-order thinking? A. Synthesizing engagement data to inform strategy optimization. B. Listing metrics without interpretation. C. Copying competitor reports. D. Reporting only likes and followers. 22. Which adult learning principle is most relevant when teaching influencer marketing ethics? A. Relevance and real-world application. B. Passive theory acquisition. C. Isolation from practical examples. D. Memorization of policies only. 23. What communication approach should be used to discuss plagiarism in digital marketing coursework? A. Clear, respectful dialogue emphasizing professional ethics and citation practices. B. Publicly reprimanding students. C. Ignoring violations for convenience. Using vague warnings. 24. The use of adaptive learning platforms in a digital marketing certificate program enhances A. Personalized learning pathways based on individual progress. B. Uniform pacing for all students. C. One-size-fits-all assessments. D. Restriction of learner autonomy. 25. A formative assessment in a digital marketing course might include A. A short analytics reflection journal before final submission. B. A final comprehensive exam. C. No feedback between modules. D. Peer evaluation only. 26. Instructors can foster peer learning in digital marketing by A. Organizing collaborative campaign design projects. B. Prohibiting teamwork. C. Limiting discussions to instructor lectures. D. Assigning solitary case studies only. 27. When teaching search engine marketing (SEM), adult learners benefit most from A. Data-driven case studies with real campaign metrics. B. Abstract theory. C. Unguided experimentation. D. Memorizing algorithms. 28. A compliance module in digital marketing must cover A. Ad transparency, data privacy, and fair competition laws. B. Platform promotion only. C. Ignoring consumer consent. D. Copying ads without permission. 29. Which evaluation method aligns best with experiential learning theory in a certificate program? A. Project-based assessment, simulating real marketing challenges. B. Multiple choice exams only. C. Lecture quizzes. D. Attendance tracking. 30. When mentoring adult learners for certification exams, effective feedback is A. Specific, timely, and actionable. B. General and delayed. C. Focused on grades only. D. One directional. 31. A key element of curriculum design in digital marketing certification programs is A. Competency mapping to recognize digital standards, e.g., Google, Meta, HubSpot. B. Using outdated textbooks. C. Ignoring digital tools. D. Focusing only on theory. 32. When communicating course updates or industry changes, instructors should A. Use multiple communication channels for clarity and inclusivity. B. Post only in one platform without notice. C. Ignore learner questions. D. Delay updates until course completion. 33. In mentoring adult learners post-certification, educators should A. Encourage continued professional development through networking and digital learning communities. B. End support immediately after certification. C. Discourage advanced specialization. D. Avoid mentorship follow-ups. 34. In a digital marketing certificate mentoring program, which approach best supports adult learners developing analytical skills? A. Guiding learners through real-world campaign data interpretation sessions. B. Having learners memorize marketing terminology without application. C. Providing only automated feedback from online quizzes. D. Requiring learners to watch pre-recorded videos without engagement.